Hello, and welcome to this video tutorial on how to add a system status to your Parrot predictive dialer. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a status or disposition to the system for the agent to see on their disposition screen when they end a call. Before we begin, the difference between a system status and a campaign-specific status is that the system status will show up in all campaigns, whereas a campaign-specific status will only show up in that one campaign. There is a separate video on how to add a campaign-specific status. Note, if you add a campaign-specific status, you can't add the same status ID to the system status. Now, let's begin. From the Parrot Administration Dashboard, go to the Admin section and click on System Statuses and click on System Statuses. This is a listing of the default system statuses. They are listed in alphabetical order by the status ID. Scroll down to the Add New System Status area. The status or status ID can have a maximum of 6 characters and can be letters or numbers. I'm going to add a hot status. The description can have a maximum of 30 characters. I'll enter hot leads. Now for the other fields. You have the option to turn on or off a certain field for this status. Most of these are used for the reports. I'll start with the fields that have additional functions. When selectable is set to Y, the status you are adding will show up in the system as a disposition and will be seen on the agent's disposition screen. For D and C, you only want to set it to Y if the system status you are adding is to be treated like a do not call disposition, because the phone number will automatically be added to the D and C list when the agent picks the status. I will keep D and C as no. Callback can be set to Y if you want this status to pop up a calendar to add a date, time, and comments so this status can be called back again. I'll leave it as no. The rest of the fields, human answer, sale, customer contact, not interested, unworkable, and completed, as well as category, are used for statistical analysis in the reports. Category allows you to group statuses together into a category. I'm leaving this field as is. For this status, I will keep human answer as Y and change sale, customer contact, and completed to Y because a hot lead might be a sale and you would want it marked completed. Once you've made your choices, click Add. The status has now been added to the system and will be seen on the agent's disposition screen. Scroll down to see that the status you just added is in the list. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video.